Greetings, friends! So, friends, there is a very big update, an important day coming up for millions of Americans. This is when you can expect to finally receive a $1,000 fourth stimulus payment. The Internal Revenue Service may see some big changes very soon due to new legislation proposed by progressive lawmakers. Friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all these details. I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. To enter the giveaways, please make sure you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Friends, the more videos that you watch and comment on, the greater your chance of winning the giveaways.
As a doctor, I have taken care of many patients who put their lives and health at risk because they couldn't afford their medication. Patients who either rationed their medicine or didn't get a prescription filled at all. I'll never forget one woman who was so proud to tell me that she was able to make her insulin last longer because she would only take half of a dose at a time in order to make it last. This is unacceptable. No one should have to choose between whether to take their medicine or put food on their table, or between their health and not being able to pay their bills. That is why I support the Inflation Reduction Act, which will give seniors the relief that they need from skyrocketing drug costs. It ensures that people on Medicare with diabetes won't have to pay more than $35 a month for their insulin. It requires the Secretary of HHS to negotiate drug prices for expensive Medicare drugs, lowering costs for seniors and people with disabilities. And it caps out-of-pocket spending at $2,000 per year for Medicare Part D. These important steps will help ensure that all seniors have access to life and health-saving medications, regardless of how much money they have. But that's not all this bill does. This bill will make transformational investments to combat climate change and reduce our carbon emissions. It will push automakers to make their electric vehicle batteries with domestic materials like the lithium we're extracting at the southern end of the Salton Sea in Imperial County. With this bill and the lithium in my district, we can power our clean energy future here in America with American materials.
The massive climate change and healthcare bill that was finally passed by Democrats this past weekend is soon to be signed by President Biden, but lawmakers have pointed out that the bill will also bring U.S. taxpayers one step closer to a government-operated, electronic-free file tax return system. It is something lawmakers and advocates have been seeking for many years. For millions of Americans, it is frustrating that beyond having to pay sometimes hefty tax bills, they also have to pay additional money for tax preparation programs or preparers because of an increasingly complex U.S. tax system. During a recent Senate Finance Committee hearing, Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen said, "It is definitely something we should do. And when the IRS is adequately resourced, it is something that will happen." And now that the IRS is set to receive nearly $80 billion through the Inflation Reduction Act, the agency has a means to develop new systems to help Americans pay their taxes. However, friends, several hurdles stand in the way. There is also pushback from commercial tax preparation companies, which question whether Americans want the IRS to prepare their taxes. There is another bill that includes a provision that allocates $15 million to the IRS to make plans for a free direct e-file tax return system. Those plans would have to be developed within 9 months and would include estimates for creating and administering a system. It would also require public input. There are also legislative attempts to move this effort along. Senate Democrat Elizabeth Warren resubmitted a bill called the Tax Filing Simplification Act that would require the IRS to create its own free online tax filing service and move away from its partnership with private online tax preparation companies. Senator Elizabeth Warren told reporters, "Americans spend too much time and money to file their taxes, and the IRS should adopt these proposals to help millions of Americans file taxes and claim refunds." So friends, what are your thoughts on these proposed bills? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. I know that many of you are also wondering about the state of Illinois stimulus program. Residents will begin to see direct relief at the pump, grocery store, and soon in their mailbox. And that's thanks to the Illinois Family Relief Plan that was passed by Illinois Democrats. The $1.8 billion tax relief plan prioritizes families, single parents, and vulnerable communities. The majority of residents of Illinois, which is more than 95% of taxpayers, will receive a one-time tax refund by the fall of this year. Individual filers will receive $50, and joint filers will receive $100, with an additional $100 for up to 3 dependents. It also provides up to $300 in property tax relief for homeowners. Rebates will be sent automatically using the same method original refunds were transmitted if they were sent directly to the taxpayer by the state of Illinois, either through direct deposit or mailed directly to their home. Individuals should expect their relief checks starting in mid-September. The bill also includes a state sales tax reduction on clothing, shoes, and school supplies for 10 days in August. The plan also addresses inflation by suspending the 1% state grocery tax for 1 year and the state's portion of the gas tax increase for 6 months to help with the rising prices at the pump. State Senator L.G. Sims Jr. told reporters this week, "We prioritize families struggling to make ends meet. Illinois is paying its bills, and we are fighting to help struggling families pay theirs as well." The state of California has not sent out the middle class tax refund yet, but you can learn how much you will be receiving. The direct payments, also referred to as inflation relief payments by legislators, will be sent out to more than 20 million Californians starting in October. The payments will range in size from $200 to $1,050, depending on the size of your income and number of dependents. Well, my awesome and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much, friends, for joining me here today. The winner of today's Walmart gift card giveaway is Gloria Holloway. Congratulations, dear friend. To claim your gift card, please check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Sunday.